It's SummerSlam 2026 and look who has arrived. The head of the table, the tribal chief, the undisputed icon of our era, Roman Reigns. Tonight Roman Reigns will defend the World Heavyweight Championship against his greatest rival of all time, his Shield brother, Seth freaking Rollins. Look at the sheer aura, the unmatched dominance and the absolute greatness walking down that ramp. For years, he has ruled over WWE with an iron fist, cementing a legacy that will last forever. Tonight, Roman Reigns will try to put an end to the Shield rivalry with Seth freaking Rollins. In 2014, Seth freaking Rollins smashed Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose with a steel chair. Seth Rollins betrayed Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose, broke the Shield, the family that Roman, Seth and Dean made. And now Roman Reigns is defending the World Heavyweight Championship tonight against Seth freaking Rollins at SummerSlam. And Roman Reigns has to beat Seth Rollins clean tonight. Oh! Here comes the ultimate rival of Roman Reigns, the visionary, the revolutionary Seth Rollins. But wait, listen to that music. That's the Shield's original theme. Years of brotherhood, years of bitter betrayal, and a legacy built on blood, sweat and tears lead right to this moment. It is SummerSlam 2026, baby. And this is it. The absolute last dance. The final chapter of the most legendary rivalry in modern wrestling history starts right now. This may be the greatest main event in the history of SummerSlam. The defending champion and the challenger, two Shield brothers. Seth Rollins mocking Roman Reigns, and Roman Reigns trying to control his anger. Look at Seth Rollins playing mind games with Roman Reigns. Oh, Phoenix splash, nobody home. Seth Rollins, oh, kick to the face. Now a right forearm strike. And a forearm to the back of Reigns. And Seth Rollins very early using the buckle bomb. Yes, sir. Rollins. Stomp. A curb stomp by the visionary. Cover on Reigns. Oh, Roman Reigns somehow kick out at 2.99. And now Seth Rollins, the visionary, is looking to beat Roman Reigns tonight and win the World Heavyweight Championship. Oh no! Remember, Roman never defeated Seth Rollins when it mattered the most. And now he's smashing Reigns with a kick. Kicks. Oh, right hand by Reigns. Oh no. Roman Reigns says enough is enough now. Smashes Seth Rollins with a steel chair. Seth Rollins won this match, but via disqualification. Roman Reigns retains the World Heavyweight Championship tonight, but smashing Seth Rollins with a steel chair. Roman Reigns again failed to defeat Seth freaking Rollins when it mattered the most. Bang! Roman Reigns putting all his anger, all his energy into those chair shots. Now he's feeling the satisfaction, and Seth Rollins is feeling the pain of that betrayal. In the end, Roman Reigns stands tall. But Rollins is down with a victory. And just like that, Roman Reigns destroyed Seth Rollins at SummerSlam. A spear. Reigns rocks the Visionary with a freaking spear here on Monday Night Raw. And now smashing Seth Rollins with a boots. Bang, and now the punches. The Visionary in big trouble. A Superman punch. Rollins is down again. Reigns roars. Rollins in trouble. A spear by Roman Reigns to Seth freaking Rollins. And Roman is not done yet. Rollins in so much pain. Reigns bringing the chair with him. A stomp. Seth Rollins again destroys Roman Reigns. Roman brings the steel chair inside the ring and Rollins stomps his face on that steel chair. Seth Rollins is very angry, telling Roman Reigns, you can't beat me when it matters the most. And now Reigns and Rollins again face to face. Two brothers.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Let's fight. Reigns versus Rollins again. A never-ending rivalry. Right hand. One right hand by Rollins to Reigns, and now Rollins smashing Reigns. Both brothers fighting. Right hand again. Oh, Rollins. Oh, right hand by Reigns again. Super kick. Stomp. No. Rollins escapes. Reigns trying to send Rollins outside. Oh, it's a super kick. Another super kick from Rollins. No. CM Punk throws them both out. And now Logan Paul throws CM Punk out. Rollins and Punk fighting. Seth Rollins hit CM Punk more than Roman Reigns. A super kick because Seth Rollins considers Reigns as his brother. Storm to Reigns. Seth Rollins is frustrated with CM Punk and he also destroyed Reigns. Look at Seth Rollins. You can't see CM Punk happy. And now destroying. Oh no. Both men. And now Seth Rollins again mocking Roman Reigns on WWE Live event, and Reigns smashes Rollins from behind. Look at Reigns, look at Reigns. He is angry on the referee. Smashes Rollins into the steel post. The match has not begun yet. Oh, again smashes the head of Seth Rollins into the apron's edge. Roman Reigns punishing Seth Rollins. Telling Seth tonight, I'll beat your ass, I'll kick your ass, I'll dog walk your ass. Referee checking on Seth Rollins. Paul Heyman, who predicted that Roman Reigns will destroy Seth Rollins at SummerSlam. A Superman punch. Roman Reigns is feeling it. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Roman Reigns is feeling it, and Seth Rollins in big trouble. The Visionary. Reigns roars. But it's a kick from Seth. Super kick by Rollins. And a forearm. Escapes. Rollins escapes, and now a pickup. Roman Reigns in big trouble. Rollins going for the Phoenix Splash, showing middle finger to Paul Heyman. Phoenix Splash missed. A pedigree. Kick out by Reigns. Seth freaking Rollins in full control. Going for the stomp. The curb stomp on Roman Reigns. Fans are vibing with Seth Rollins. And now a stomp. No! Reigns responds with a thunderous clothesline. And now the OTC is feeling it. Spear. Reigns rocks Seth Rollins with one spear. Another one is coming, Seth. Receipt is coming. Another spear. Reigns is not going for the cover, but with a submissions instead. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. Finally, Roman Reigns destroyed and defeated Seth Rollins. Thanks for watching.